What's going on, guys? Today we are at Disney's Beach Club Resort. It's a little humid out, so if my camera fogs up, that is why. It's currently 9:40 in the morning. A little tired because last night we had the deluxe guest extended hours at Magic Kingdom and we've really utilized that. We do have Connor's family here. They already are at the pool because we heard that you have to get there like as soon as they open. That's how busy it is. It is considered the best pool on property and I'm really curious to see if it actually is. I've never stayed here before. This is our first time, so truly excited for this one. I could be wrong, but I do think that this is the only pool on property that you have to stay here for. You cannot hotel hop to this one. I did see that they have a lazy river and that they also have like a sand lake beach pool too, so that's pretty cool. I also want to explore this hotel too, so as soon as we get to the pool and kind of like chill out a little bit and see that area, I definitely will do a tour of our room and the hotel itself. So they do have towels that are available to you at the pool, but I figure it was a wasted opportunity to not bring at least the Disney cruise bag. So we have a whole bunch of sunblock just in case, because we are Irish and Scottish, so we burn like crazy and you can't not have Oreos.
I love the way we vibe up. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that's so sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Testify the motion. Loving is devotion. Ooh, that's sugar.
What'd you say about the slide?
Brianna said apparently it chews your spine up pretty good.
It hurts your back?
Apparently. It looks cool.
It does look cool. That is so cute. You can sit up there?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road.
Well, it is 10:11. We spotted our family. And it's not that busy. For now. For now, not that busy.
See, that way you don't have to get scanned every time that you come by.
Perfect.
However, I understand that they can be uncomfortable. So if you want to cut it off, you can just do it, and we can't just scan you again every time that you come back.
Thank you.
There it is.
It's cute. That's the lazy river. This is cute. And there's a kind of a nice breeze right now. So it's looking like you have two options. You have sand and no sand. So Connor's sister was the best and got an awesome spot. So that's all ours. And I just got word we're doing beaches and cream, so yes. All right, Connor, $1 million question. Do we think the water's warm?
I hope it's cold.
Okay.
I wouldn't know the science of heating a sand bottom pool.
I don't know. Oh,
I
the
think
sun's like
if you go
totally
by
coming
the
out.
guys with the little yellow vests on, that pool section might be heated.
Ah,
Because it's Disney.
a little lukewarm.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're all sunblocked up. Is it cold?
A little bit.
Cold? Like refreshing cold or?
Yeah.
Well, I can confirm that the lazy river is pretty deep. I was not expecting that. I took the 2 steps to go in and did not realize it was 6 foot and went straight down. So catching my breath because that totally caught me off guard. It's warm, like refreshing. It's not like lukewarm, but it feels good. So Beaches and Cream, which is supposedly the best ice cream you can get on Disney property, that's here. It opens at 11. Right now it's 10:30, so definitely want to check that out once that's open, and we'll get like lunch and everything. Right now Hurricane Hannah's is not open, but that's right across from us, and you also get your soda and like water station that you can use for your refillable resort cups. See, so they're right over there. Right over there. Right side, you can get your food delivered to you.
Here's lunch, guys.
You can go to Hurricane Hannah's and get food, or they can bring it to you, and your drinks too.
Burger I've felt all day.
Ooh, that is hot. I got a bacon cheddar cheeseburger, the Hannah burger, and Connor got chicken and fries.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, look at me.
We got a lobster. No, we thought it was a lobster roll.
Scallops and shrimp.
Scallops and shrimp. Nice. There's
That's
Connor's
enough.
chicken and fries. So just basic chicken fries. But they're still really good.
But still, that's a lot of chicken. Yesterday we only got 3 pieces. That's
We did.
5. 4?
Yeah. That's my burger. That's a better deal. Basic burger, but devoured. That was so good.
What? Chicken? Not bad. Not great, not bad, but good enough to satisfy.
On the bright side, it's a little cloudy, but it's definitely, because it's 12 o'clock right now, everyone's probably back from the parks. So it's getting a little crowded. But how cute. Everyone's building sandcastles. You also get drinks delivered to us.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Little pro tip, $2 for an extra shot. So under the towel return, as I'm putting ours away, that's all the activities that they have here. I'm not sure if these alter or not, but at least for our trip. I'm walking over to Beaches and Cream. So there's the arcade and Beaches and Cream. So they also serve food here too. It's not just ice cream, but obviously we came for the ice cream. So you can make reservations to sit inside. It's very cute inside, but they also do have a window just for like a quick service. They actually open pretty late. They're open from 11 to 11.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm definitely eyeing up the chocolate. All right, let's see what this hype's about. Nice.
Thank you.
Okay, it's already melting, but it looks so good. And since they're open late, we're going to Epcot tonight. We'll get it later. So just to give you guys a bit of a tour, we have a single kin bedroom. It's not a suite though, is it, Connor?
I don't.
Is this just a standard room?
But you got a pull-out couch,
You do get a pull-out couch.
full sink, fridge, Keurig,
The whole 9 yards. You get Daisy.
bed.
Connor's doing a quick tour.
TV. Yeah, I showed them the big balcony. Man.
Ah, the biggest balcony.
Gotta pay a lot extra for this upgrade here.
Oh yes,
Look at that, don't fall, be careful.
right there.
Done.
That is our balcony. But everybody else has this balcony. Unless you're below us, then it looks like they have a bigger one. They are, but it's nice. We haven't really utilized it, but then again, we can't really stand up here ourselves. Okay, I'll show you guys the bathroom first. So you get 2 closets. Connor has all of his luggage and everything in here. And then on the other side, you have another, so all of my stuff is in here. Then our housekeeping just came, so I was like, perfect timing. We have a bow on the toilet. I'm not gonna lie, this is very new. We did not have this the past 2 days that we've been here. We have a bow in the toilet, yeah. So you have 2 sinks. No, I wouldn't say crazy storage in the bathroom, probably not, but
That's perfect.
yeah, it's not bad.
You don't need to tell me anymore.
No, not at all. You have
Only
a
thing I don't
full-blown
like
mirror.
is how close that comes to the toilet.
It does, it's pretty close. So it's kind of hard for 2 people to be in here at the exact same time, but the shower is very nice. Very clean, I will say that.
It is very clean.
It is very clean.
The AC only goes to 65.
Connor's not that happy with that one,
No,
but
I tried all the...
it's funny because his
Pull that
parents are in a
down.
room that's 2 down
hit
and theirs
that,
only goes
and
to
then hit
60.
that. That's what one guy said.
So like Connor said, that is a pull-out bed.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how it works, but yes, it does.
We have Donald and Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Then we also found out that there's hidden storage in here. So you can pull this out, you have more storage.
And on the other side as well. But
Oh really? Oh, I didn't see that side.
Only downside is...
It says Byrne and Connor. It doesn't
No,
say Connor
it
Byrne.
says Byron.
Oh, it does. Wait, they did spell your name wrong.
Bastard spelled my name.
B-Y-R-N-A. That's funny.
There you go.
But nice.
I like this little shoe thing.
I do too. We've been putting our shoes over here. It's just a designated spot, but it's nice. Then we have all of our clothes in here, majority at least. And then if you're working while you're here, like me, you can just pull it out and you can just move the table. So I haven't fully utilized that, but definitely helps when you are working while you're on vacation. So that is definitely on my list, but it's cute.
Mini fridge. We have nothing in it, actually.
No, we don't.
That's
We just have
unfortunate.
snacks and liquid IV.
Yeah.
I don't even think we've used the Keurig yet, have we? Have you?
Green tea, breakfast tea. Oh, it's Joffrey's, that's what. I'm not a big fan of Joffrey's.
I mean, from being on here for the past like 2 days, right? We've done 2 nights here so far.
Yes.
I don't really have a complaint with the bed. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm also not very picky with my bed.
Well, I am picky.
This
and
one's picky with his bed.
Bed is awesome.
Yeah, it's a deluxe hotel on Disney property. The biggest perk to me, it's less than a 10-minute walk to Epcot, and that's awesome.
And then you can walk to Hollywood, but it's like 15.
It is, but you have the boat, or you could do the Skyliner, and that's just different hotels that you can go to. That took us maybe a half hour yesterday morning.
Well, we got stuck.
We did get stuck right above the highway as well, but super normal. Ready, lightning round.
Plug, 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 plug. Plug,
There are plugs
plug. There's a lot of
everywhere. There's more plugs here.
plugs. I
There's
pointed that one out
Oh, you-
already.
oh.
That was the third.
apologize. There are plugs everywhere in this
There's
room.
plugs all over the bathrooms.
All over. So you
plug,
need
plug.
numerous things charged. You are signed, sealed, delivered here. There's conjoined rooms. Granted, we don't have a conjoined rooms, but we are here with Connor's sister, his brother-in-law, and his niece. And they have a conjoined room with his parents. No one's there. We don't. It's another door. This is also our first trip since they added the Hey Disney. I'm shocked it didn't pick up me saying that. They have it locked, so it's specific things that you can do. But you can add your own Bluetooth to it.
Such as.
So you can ask it a whole bunch of questions. You could do trivia. You could play different soundscapes like Pirates of the Caribbean, Guardians of the Galaxy, just the parks itself. For someone that will listen to the sounds of Disney on like YouTube, say at home, just to make me feel like I'm here and just calming, relaxing, like background noise, they do have that on these. And when you walk around, they even have the characters out. They have Donald and they have Mickey in the back. Because it's downpouring right now. Just to give you guys a quick view of what it looks like at night.
So that's.
You have Magic Kingdom's fireworks. You have fireworks over there. You have some type of DJ party glow stick thing going on over here. I'm not quite sure. And then you have Epcot's fireworks over there. See Epcot's fireworks? Oh, I love the glow of hula hoops.
Oh,
So
go get a
cute.
glow stick. Go get a stick.
It's so pretty here at night. And since it's a pretty big area, I did not get to walk around the entire spot, but if this gives you a better overview.
Your hula hoop down on the ground and sit in it. Are you guys ready to go? Oh, I don't believe you. Are you guys ready? Yeah! All right, on your mark. Oh, there's a grand finale going on. On your mark. Get set.
It is currently 9:19 at night, and yes, the pool's still open. It's actually a lot prettier at night. I would recommend this hotel at least once. At least once. There's just so many different dynamics here. You have a lazy river, you have a sand like beach area, then you have just like your plain pool. And you also have a gigantic slide from a pirate ship. Like, how cool is that?
Let's do the backstroke. And we're gonna snorkel while we turn.
I do want to say, for the extra splurge that Beach Club is, you do have great amenities here. And like I said, the walk to Epcot's awesome. And you're right across from Boardwalk, so you can go to Jelly Rolls or Abracadabra or just walk around there, or you can visit Swan Dolphin and kind of like hotel hop a little bit here. So I don't know, I think it's a good option if it's in your price range and it's something that you want to try and it works well for you and for your family. I do want to thank you all so much for watching. I am working on this vacation, like I said, so I'm just gonna get some little things done right now with some clients of mine. I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.